Welcome students to AB Chemistry. If you're watching this video, that means that you've decided to take AB Chemistry for the 2021 school year. In this video, I will discuss what does the AP Chemistry curriculum look like? What does a typical class period look like? As well as what does a lab period look like? And finally, what type of supplies are you going to need in order to maintain organization in AP Chemistry class? Well, here's a little bit about myself. I am a native of New Orleans and have been married to my husband for the past 25 years. We have two sons, one who is a junior here at Millbrook, and also my youngest will be attending as a freshman. In New Orleans, I attended college at Xavier University, where I obtained my BS degree in chemistry as well as my MA degree in secondary curriculum and instruction. I have been teaching for the past 24 years. 8 of those years, I've been a teacher in the science department here at Millbrook High School. The chemistry content that will be discussed in the AP class is as follows: atomic structure and properties, molecular and ionic compound structures and properties, intermolecular forces and properties, chemical reactions, kinetics, thermodynamics, equilibrium, acids and bases, applications of thermodynamics. Many of you may be concerned about the ending of the last school year, where some chemistry topics may not have been taught in much detail. Well, I want to ease your concern to let you know that I will make sure that all the information that you need in order to be successful in AP Chemistry will be taught, and you'll be brought up to speed for those things that were not covered in the AP Chemistry class. Well, what does a class period look like, or a lab period? Well, in a class period, we may have some lectures, hand-on activities, simulations, some examples of the AP free response questions from past tests. We will also, in a lab, of course, with the lab, you will have pre-lab, which may include some questions that you may have to answer or some research that you may have to do. You may have to perform, you will perform the lab, but also sometimes you may have to develop a lab, meaning come up with the procedures to see what is it that you're going to do in order to answer a question or a thought. And finally, on a lab day, of course, you would have post-lab questions and also formalizing a lab report that will be turned in. Well, what does grading look like? The grading in an AP class will come from class activities, practice problems, tests, and labs. This class is a college level class, and as a result of that, much of the grading will be like it would be graded in a college class, meaning that your grade would heavily weigh on tests and your labs. However, in order to stay in compliance with our remediation policy at Millbrook High School, there will be a quarter test that will be administered at the end of the quarter to replace the lowest test score for that quarter. The supplies that you would need for the class contains a composition notebook that will be used for a lab manual, a binder with paper for note taking, and this would also be where you would house all supplemental material, worksheets, or any papers that are provided to you for the class. I would like to say that when you take AP Chemistry, the fall semester is Honors Chemistry 2, where you would earn 1 credit. So there would be the final exam would be after quarter 2, and you would earn a half a credit. Then AP Chemistry credit comes in the spring, where you would earn another credit. So the AP Chemistry course allows you to earn 2 credits for the year. I am so excited that you have taken the challenge to be at AP Chemistry and looking forward to our time together. I really can't wait to see you all. If you have any questions, you can always contact me at kbartney@wcpss.net. Again, that is kbartney@wcpss.net. I can't wait till we're in class again together. Have a great day.